It's June 20th, 2020. I just want to say one thing. How to make large carbonado diamonds with respect to a very powerful hydraulic press that pushes in on all three sides. So you make a foot long. You get 2 feet of charcoal powder, and you literally compress down to a foot, and then you put on when it's at its maximum compression. When it's at essentially a cube, but which way can push when the other ones can't, so we can get it to a full form diamond, or or X-ray, hard X-rays going through it in 3 dimensions, length, width, and height, even if by 6, so that it compresses on all sides. Because I'm pretty sure you want to do it, in other words, not just one side. So it's pushing in all that, which becomes a carbonado diamond, which then can become a true form, flawless. So give it a go. X-rays after the point of hard X-ray. Okay. Happy birthday. Enjoy.